Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to share just a short video with you about installing and seating brushes in a Model A generator or even Flathead V8 and any of these generators really. This is a 29 generator armature that I'm building this generator for a fellow. But what I want to show is a couple things. So the brushes, you get three brushes in these. Two of the three brushes are thicker than the others. I'm trying to do this with one hand. You can see this. You got a thin one here in the end, and that goes in the adjustable brush holder. And then the thicker ones go in the power and the ground brush holder. Now also note on the back side of these brushes, there's a chamfer on one edge, on this edge here. It's not square on both edges. And that chamfered edge, when you install it in the brush holder, that always goes into the corner like that. That's the way these always orient, and make sure you install them the proper way. Now these have, when they come new, they have a small curve ground onto them. Some of them are better than others. Some have a bit of a curve, but none of them are seated really properly fitted to the commutator. So what I do on every generator I build is I sand in the brushes. And so what I've done here is I have one set up here. I have a piece of 400 grit sandpaper cut the width of the commutator, and it's facing outward. So the grid is facing outward, and it's just a little shorter. When I wrap it around the commutator, it's a little shorter than the commutator. And I have a piece of tape that connects the two ends of the sandpaper, and a little bit of the stickiness sticks onto the commutator itself so the sandpaper doesn't slide. And then I mount the brush plate on here. Now this has a ball bearing, sealed ball bearing in it. And once it's mounted with the new brushes riding on the sandpaper, I just work the brush plate back and forth. And that sands in the ends of the brushes so they fit the contour of the commutator, and you get full contact. And that's important because if you don't have full contact, it's not going to charge right. And you can see all the powder down here. This is from the brushes as they're being sanded in. So I just mount this on here and I work it back and forth for a minute or two, and that will contour the end of the brushes to match the commutator. And that way they'll make full contact when it's running and charge properly. So, hey, hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.